Imagine a city that seamlessly blends history with a lively, modern vibe. Welcome to Norwich, a vibrant city tucked away in Norfolk, England. This hidden gem offers an enticing mix of old and new. With medieval castles sitting alongside bustling shopping malls, Norwich is a city that respects its past while embracing the future. It's a city where every corner turned reveals another delightful surprise. Join us as we delve into the heart of Norwich, uncovering its unique attractions. A visit to Norwich is a walk through time itself. As you saunter through the city, you're treading the same cobblestones as those who lived here over 1,000 years ago. Norwich's history is a rich tapestry woven with threads of time, from its medieval past to the present day. Imagine the grandeur of the Norwich Castle, a Norman stronghold that has stood watch over the city for over 9 centuries. Its battlements whisper tales of kings and queens, of battles and victories. Not too far away stands the Norwich Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece that has withstood the test of time. Its stone walls echo with the prayers of countless generations, a testament to Norwich's deep-rooted spiritual heritage. But history in Norwich is not confined to its monuments. It's in the very fabric of the city, etched in the faces of the buildings and woven into the stories of its people. Norwich's history is not just in its monuments, but lives in every nook and cranny of the city. From quirky boutiques to bustling markets, Norwich offers a shopping experience like no other. Imagine strolling through the vibrant Norwich Marketplace, a feast for the senses where you can find everything from local produce to vintage clothing. It's a bustling hub of activity, where the air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of freshly baked goods, and the cheerful chatter of vendors fills the air. Now let's whisk you away to the city's shopping malls. First up, we have a modern shopping paradise filled with high-end brands and chic eateries. Then there's the second mall, a charming blend of the old and the new, with a unique architecture that's a nod to Norwich's rich history. Each store is a treasure trove of unique finds, making every shopping trip a thrilling adventure. Whether you're a shopaholic or not, Norwich's shopping scene is sure to captivate you. Norwich is a food lover's paradise, offering a delectable journey for your taste buds. This fine city caters to every craving with a culinary scene that's bursting with variety and flavor. Think rustic farm-to-table dishes, innovative fusion cuisine, and everything in between. Picture yourself sipping on locally brewed ales in a cozy pub, or savoring the delicacies of a high-end restaurant. If you have a sweet tooth, Norwich won't disappoint either. From traditional English sweets to decadent pastries, there's a treat for everyone. The city's food scene is a melting pot of cultures, proudly reflecting its diverse community. You'll find an array of global cuisines, from authentic Italian pizza to spicy Thai curries, and from hearty Turkish kebabs to delicate Japanese sushi. Indeed, Norwich's food and drink scene is a testament to its rich history and vibrant culture. The flavors of Norwich are as diverse and vibrant as the city itself. As the sun sets, Norwich comes alive with a vibrant nightlife and a pulsating cultural scene. It's a city that never sleeps, where the colors of the evening are as bright as the day. The streets buzz with the sounds of laughter, music, and the clinking of glasses. The city's pubs and clubs, each with its own unique charm, offer a warm welcome to all who step inside. They're the perfect places to unwind, make new friends, and dance the night away. But there's more to Norwich than just its nightlife. The city is a cultural hotspot, hosting a plethora of events and festivals year-round. From live music gigs and art exhibitions to food festivals and theater performances, there's always something happening. It's a city where creativity and culture thrive, where every night brings a new experience, a new story to tell. In Norwich, the night is always young and the culture ever vibrant. Norwich is just the beginning of your journey with us. Imagine walking through the bustling marketplace, shopping at the malls, tasting the local cuisine, experiencing the vibrant culture and nightlife, and uncovering the history and iconic monuments of this hidden gem. But why just imagine? Experience it firsthand. And for more exciting destinations, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the Dream Venue YouTube channel. Subscribe to Dream Venue and join us as we explore more unique destinations. Norwich awaits you, so pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.